Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Citizens Bank credit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, go to the Citizens Bank official website. Open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in citizensbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for Citizens Bank. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the login button. In the pop-up, click on the little drop down under select a secure login and select credit card online services. Click login after that, and then on the next page you will need to sign in with your username and password for Citizens Bank to get to your credit card area. Type in your username in the first text box and on the next field, enter your correct password. In case you've forgotten your username and your password, simply click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link respectively. After filling in both of your credentials, click Sign In, and within a second, you will be able to log into your credit card account for Citizens Bank. Hope the video helped you easily to access your Citizens Bank credit card account online. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.